Hello, I'm Simon Haslam. I'm chair of the Middleware SIG and I'm on the Tech 13 steering group. I'm delighted to say I'm in San Francisco at JavaOne at the moment, and I've got Cameron Purdy from Oracle with me. Hello, Cameron.
Hello, Simon.
Perhaps for anyone who doesn't know who you are, perhaps you could give yourself a little introduction for us.
Well, my name's Cameron Purdy. I am the Vice President of Development for our Cloud Application Foundation products, such as WebLogic and Coherence, and I also manage our Java EE platform, the Enterprise Java platform.
Okay, thank you. So, we've been at JavaOne all week. What have been the big highlights for you here?
Well, this was a pretty crazy show. We had, as you know, here in San Francisco, we have JavaOne and OpenWorld the same week. So this year, we had JavaOne and OpenWorld and the America's Cup racing.
That's
all going on at the same week. And some of you might have heard that Larry Ellison actually skipped his own keynote to win the tie-breaking race, if you will, when the two teams had 8 points apiece. So he went off and sailed, and so Team USA, Oracle, came back with a cup. So that was a little bit of
the highlight of the week.
That was a little bit of excitement in the middle of the week, but there was actually quite a lot of exciting stuff going on both at JavaOne and OpenWorld. I found, in JavaOne, which is very developer focused, it covered some new language changes and things like that coming in Java 8. Also the release of Java EE 7, and for the technical keynote, I found just inspiring to see what they've done, what they've accomplished over the past few years. Certainly worth checking out online. The rerun of the JavaOne technical keynote. By the way, I wasn't in that one. I was in the stuffed shirt keynote. So, but the technical keynote was just incredible.
Great. Okay, so we're delighted that you're coming over to UK OUG Tech 13 at the start of December. Perhaps you can give us a little sort of taster of what you might be talking about in your keynote.
Well, we have a lot to talk about this year.
Okay.
So as probably know, we released WebLogic 12c, in fact what we call Cloud Application Foundation 12c. So Cloud Application Foundation includes our Exalogic engineered systems for middleware, our web tier, our web servers and plugins, WebLogic itself, and Coherence, all together providing great infrastructure for Java and Java EE applications. So we also, obviously, this summer announced Java EE 7, which is a new version of our enterprise application development platform, which is provides standard enterprise application development APIs and components that developers can leverage to build applications. And this year, the focus is on HTML5. Things like WebSockets, the ability to have very rich interactive applications targeted at devices such as smartphones and tablets. And we also have a number of great new features. We don't usually just focus in on the features, but there are some pretty hot ones this year. Things like hot cache, where if you have a WebLogic and Coherence application with data cached in memory, and that data changes in the database, it'll actually pump up those changes using our Golden Gate technology into the application. So it allows you to avoid that stale data problem, for example.
Because that's a really common problem people hit, isn't it?
It's a very common thing to face.
Okay, great. Well, that's fantastic. Thank you very much for spending some time with us today. We're all really looking forward to see you again in December, and enjoy the rest of San Francisco.
Looking forward to it. Thanks.